ሬዲዮ ሾው ነው አሁን ለምሳሌ የሆነ ሰው አለ አንተ ከሆነ ሰው ጋር ዴት ወጣ ተባለ ከዛ በኋላ ዴት ወጣ አሪፍ ታይም ነው ያሳለፍነው ብሎ ያኛው ሰው ያስባል በቃ ያንተ አይታወቅም አሪፍ ነው ያሳለፈው በቃ እንደዋወላለን ምናምን ብለህ ሰከንድ ዴት ኤክስፔክት እያደረግህ ነው ከዛ ያ ሰው ቴክስት ሲያደርግልህ ሲደውልልህ ምን ሲልልህ አትመልስም ምንም ቢያደርግልህ አትመልስም ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ
ስለዚህ ሰከንድ ዴት ፈርስት ዴት ላይ ምን አጥፍቼ ነው ሸመቀጥከኝ ነው
በጣም ብዙ ከሞከሩ በኋላ ለነሱ ይደውሉላቸውና ይነግሯቸዋል
እነሱ ግን በጣም ተመችቷቸው ማለት ነው
እነሱ ምን እንደነበረ ፕሮብሌም የሚያውቁት ነገር የለም ከዛ ተደውሎ ያ ሰው ሲጠየቅ ምን እንደነበረ ያስረዳና ያብዛኛው በቃ ፈኒ ኢንተረስቲንግ ነው በጣም ኢትዮጵያስ ጀምረውታል ባይዘው እንቆቅልሽ
So you've heard of the show?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Okay. Have you ever heard of the segment we do called the Second Date Update?
No, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. You're going to get very familiar with it because you're a part of a Second Date Update now.
What?
It's a segment on the show where if you go out on a date with somebody and then end up not calling them back afterwards, they email us to see if we can get you on the phone and ask what went wrong. So a girl named Maria emailed us about you.
Okay.
Oh shit.
That's the excited voice.
Exactly. Worst date ነበር.
በቃ እሱ
worst date ነበር.
ከድምጻቸው ተረዳለሁ ባይዘው shit የሆነ ነገር አለ ማለት ነው.
Yeah. She told us a little bit about your date. Didn't sound like much of a date, just breaking into her house basically when you came to pick her up.
Oh my god. Yeah, that did happen.
But she also said that you're not calling her back and at the end of that experience you guys had sort of made plans to go out again.
Yeah, it just doesn't seem like it's really a great fit, you know? Like it seems like I don't know, I don't want to be mean, but it just seems like it would be kind of hard to actually date her.
Oh.
Why is that?
I don't know. It feels like we're on different levels, if that makes any sense.
Is it because you had to break into her house because she forgot her keys that were actually in her purse?
No, it's not that at all. That was actually pretty great. I don't get to break a lot of windows. That was really fun.
So you do think that
nice one.
አሁን እሷ የገመተችው ለዛ ነው አሁን ቁፌን ረስቼ ምናምን ግምታውን ትነግራለች ለምን ይመስልሽ ሲባል እንዴ ተፈጥሮ ነበር ሜቢ እንደዛ አስበው ይሆን አይነት ነገር ትላለች
ግን አሁን እሷ ያደረገችው ነገር ልክ ነው
ምን ቁልፏን መርሳት
ነው ቁልፏን አረሳችም
የራሷ ቤት እኮ ነው ታዲያ
ግን አረሳችው
ከዛ በኋላ ነው የተገኘው ፖሊስ ያለው ኦኬ ስባለው ብለው ሳይኮፓት ያማል
ለዚህ ነው የጠፋው
አይደለም ጠፍቶባት ቁልፏ አሰበረችው ግን ለካ ቁልፏ ቦርሳ ውስጥ ነበር አንዳንድ ቦርሳ ውስጥ የሆነ ነገር ትፈልግና
ያለ ይመስለኛል ግን የምታውቂ ይመስለኛል
አይመስለኝም
well the only part really of your whole date you had a good time with her.
Yeah. If every girl wanted me to break into her house, I would totally be fine with that. That's a fun adventure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Seems like an exciting time.
I thought the blood would definitely be like, well, I cut myself and I'm leaving.
It was super minor and shit, and it was not a big deal.
So then, what's the reason that you're not calling her back? Why don't you feel like you're on the same level or whatever?
እየሰማሽ ነው ወይዘይ
Well, so while we were around, like, one of the sides of her house,
ኦኬ ያልነገርኩ ፓርት በኋላ በሰማው ፈን ነበር ሶሪ ነገርኩ ግን
ኦኬ ተራትንገኛ በቃ
በኋላ ክትል ታረግ ነው ሌባ
አሃ ነው ነገር መስማቱ ነው
ልንገር በቃ እሷ መስማቷን ለሷ አይነግሩትም በኋላ ነው የሚነግሩት ግን እየሰማች ነው እሷ የለችም ብሎ ነው የሚነግሩት ማለት ግን እየሰማች ነው
አንቺ በጣም
trying to find a window to get into. We were talking, we were trying to have, like, salvage a date out of this.
Right.
And this is the first time we've talked in person, so we were chatting,
so
and
you're having like first date get to know me conversation over trying to jimmy a window open to get into a house.
We're just thinking like small talk or whatever. So we're talking about TV shows that we're watching, and we both love Game of Thrones.
Okay.
It's my favorite show. I'm not gonna spoil anything, but we were talking about it, and she said something that seemed kind of weird early on. She just said, it's weird that 1,000 years ago, people had to worry about getting eaten by dragons.
She's dumb. No,
ዳም ደግሞ አይደለችም
ከሙ እና ተረዱ ጌም ኦፍ ትሮን አድናቂው ነው ኦኬ
She was joking, right? I mean, that was being
That's
silly.
what I thought, so I laughed. I thought that was funny, and she heard me laughing, and she was like, "What? Dragons are bad."
So she thought dragons were real.
At this point, I don't know what she's thinking. Is this some sort of... Is she messing with me? Is this, like, some test? Like, will you break a window? Do you think that I think dragons are real? Like, some elaborate first date test, you know? And so I don't know. So I'm like, I'm sort of feeling it out, and I laugh, and I think we're having an okay time, and she keeps talking about, like, what this time period would have been like to live in, not this universe, this time period. She actually said Game of Thrones.
ይሄ ማለት ነው ጌም ኦፍ ትሮንን ላላየ ሰው እሱ የሚያወራው ነገር አንደርስታንድ ላታረግ ይችላል። ልክ ነው ልጅ
ጌም ኦፍ ትሮን ባታየም ድራገን እንዳልነበሩ አታውቅም
አይደለም እኮ ታይም ፍሬሙም ሌላ ዩኒቨርስ እኮ shit
favorite period piece.
So maybe she just used the wrong word. Like, there's no way she actually thinks it's like a reenactment from real life.
As far as I can tell, like, she doesn't think, like, there were cameras there, obviously. Like, she thinks it's, like, based on a true story, like that.
ናይስ ብዙዎቹ የተረዱት ስንሰማ ማለት ነው እንትን ማለት አይፈልጉም ይሄ የሆነ ኦፌንድ ኢቭን መኖራቸውን ሳያውቁ ኦፌንድ ማድረግ ስለማይፈልጉ ለማስረዳት ይሞክራሉ ማለት በጣም
She got into, like, how it's weird that wizards and witches just, like, aren't around as much anymore. Like, they sort of disappeared.
And anytime that you explain to her that Game of Thrones is made up and it's not a documentary.
Look, man, if she thinks that's true, then I don't want to break her heart. I don't want to crush her and tell her about this terrible world.
What a nice guy.
I have no idea. ናይስ ሰዎች አለማችን
አሎ
በእውነት አሁን
ናይስ ጋይ ነው በጣም ማርያም ምን ይዛን ሰዓት አለ ማለት ነው አንቺ አምሻል እንዴ ምናምን ብሎ
እኔ ልጅላል
አንተ ትላለህ አረበከችን እዛ
with me, I don't want to admit that I'm fooled. There's no win situation.
Yeah, I guess you're screwed. Hey, Aaron, I do want to let you know, though, that you might have crushed her.
What do you mean?
I mean that she's actually on the other line listening to this conversation, and she might have just found out that Game of Thrones is not real. Maria, are you still there?
I'm not stupid. I know that Game of Thrones isn't real. It's not a documentary.
ሚገርም ነው እኮ መጀመሪያ ቢደወለ ሰው ኮንፊውዥን ሲሆን የዛን የኛው ሰው በቃ ኦብቪየስ እንትን ነው ነገር ያኛው ሰው ሲባል በጣም ሲሪየስሊ ኢቭን የሚሳደቡ አሉ
አይቲ ድምጿ ልክ እንትን ነው
ስማ ሙሉ ስሰማው what ነው
on true events.
I hope you're messing with me. I hope that this is just a really good joke.
No, it's like the Renaissance, you know, like that stuff. It's like that show Vikings, you know, like where
she's dumb. የምን በጣም ደስ ነች
ያሳዝናል እሱ ግን አላለት ማለት መጥፎ ዘቦል የሚያሳይ በዚህ
አረዲታ እሺ አሁን ያቀድሙንስ ይሻል ሬኔሳንስና ከቫይኪንግ ጋር ጌም ኦፍ ትሮንን ታነጻጽራለች shit what ሌላ ዴታ
Vikings aren't real.
Vikings are real. They existed. Dragons did not exist.
Well, they don't exist anymore because humans killed them.
Are
you guys screwing with me? Are you all in on this prank?
No, we're not at all. I promise you, Maria wanted to call you to find out what went wrong on the date.
I should have known with the window you guys were that somebody was setting me up. This whole thing.
No, this is not a setup. I promise you. Maria, do you really think that dragons existed?
They did. I read history books about them.
Sci-fi and history books are not the same thing.
I'm not dumb.
ልጅቷ ማለት ነው ይሄ እንትንን ምን ነበር The Lord of the Rings ራሱ እንደ እንትን ነበር እንደ ሂስትሪ ሪፈረንስ
የምትጠቀመው ምንም ቡክ ሪድ ነው ብለው አክሴፕት የሚያደርጉ ሰዎች ሚት አርጋ አጣቀም
That the Game of Thrones story is dramatized, but like dragons actually existed in the Renaissance.
ሬኔሳንስ ከ500 ዓመት በፊት እኮ ነው።
ድራገኖች ለማለት ፈልግ
እኔ ቃል የለኝም።
And like witchcraft and wizardry was a thing.
Well, that part's true.
Sort of.
I don't know which books you're reading, Maria, but I want to read them.
It's in tons of books, and you can start by reading the Bible because it's got all of that.